2016 Tahoe engine tick diagnosis video number 2. So the lifter has completely failed. It fell apart and it broke the roller off of it, and the needle bearings that are inside the roller are going to be inside the motor. The head seems to be okay, but I think what happened is this tray failed. This lifter is nice and tight in there, can't turn it, and this one has a lot of slop. I think it allowed the lifter to spin sideways, making it not be able to move smoothly up and down on the cam. And on the motor, if you can see down in there, the camshaft is destroyed. There's the little needle bearing. And the lifter bore itself, so if you look at that one, it's all nice and shiny and smooth. And that one, it's all chewed up. Pretty bad. So we might get away with just boring or honing the lifter bore and putting a new cam, lifters, all that, and we'll go from there.